What's up everybody, it's Chase and J Miles, and in this video I want to give you 4 different business credit cards that I got in order to create more content. For those of you who don't know what business credit is, basically business credit is like personal credit, however it's just in your business name. So you can get credit cards, you can get loans, you can get vehicles, all in your business name, and it doesn't even check your personal credit. So if your personal credit is not that good, or you're working on it, or hey, if you already have a lot on your personal credit and you don't want to leverage any more of your personal debt, then you can leverage business credit. And that's exactly what I did. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Chase and J Miles, and I help entrepreneurs leverage content, turn that into credibility to build a 7-figure empire. So what I want to share with you are 4 business credit cards that you absolutely must have if you want to create content. The reason why this is important is because if you're an entrepreneur, whether you're a real estate agent or you have any type of business, you probably want to market that business and you probably want to create content. So why use your own money? Since this is for a business, you want to leverage that business credit. Go ahead, click that thumbs up button if you agree with that statement alone. One business credit card that you should get to create content is going to be the Amazon Pay by Invoice. Now, Amazon Pay by Invoice is not dead. No matter what anybody says, you just have to access it another way. Don't be fooled by just going to the Amazon website and go into the credit card section, because most times those are going to be cards that are just through American Express. You're going to apply, they're going to run your personal credit. Those are just normal credit cards, like that Amazon Prime card. Even though it says business, those are normal credit cards, and this isn't what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the actual Pay by Invoice. So what Amazon Pay by Invoice is, you set up an Amazon business account, you order items, they're going to ship them to your business address, and they're going to send you an invoice. Once they send you that invoice, then the balance is due 30 days later. So you're not having to pay for it right then and there, and they're invoicing you just like any other business. They're treating you as a vendor. So with that being the case, how I was able to leverage that was when I was building my set and certain things that I needed for equipment, certain cords I needed for my cameras. I mean, just think about it. Amazon has everything. So there's not much that I couldn't have gotten from Amazon. Now, some things I didn't choose to get from Amazon, and you're gonna know why in just a minute. But Amazon is that one place that you can get a lot of stuff for your content creation, including stuff to put in your set. Speaking of sets, another business credit card that I got for my content creation was the Lowe's for Pros card. Now, Lowe's has several business credit cards and different accounts that you can get as a business owner. The one that I recommend and the one that I ended up getting was the actual commercial account. The Lowe's commercial account works similar to the Amazon, where they're gonna allow you to go into the store, you can buy whatever you want, and then they're going to send you an invoice, and you have a certain amount of time to pay that invoice. Some people's accounts, it may be 30 days, some it may be 45 days, but the cool thing about this card is that it gets you discounts on everything in Lowe's. So you're never gonna pay for something in Lowe's. Even if you go to Lowe's, you buy something and it shows that you don't have a discount, once you ring it up, you're still gonna get that discount. So you save money on everything out of Lowe's. This was really easy to get approved for. All it really took was an application, and then they mail you a card. The cool thing about Lowe's as well as Amazon is they have higher credit limits. With those higher credit limits, you can really leverage it and not spend that cash out of your pocket. Lowe's was really good for building my actual YouTube sets. So as y'all know from my videos, I have a few different places that I shoot reels and shoot YouTube videos and things like that. And believe it or not, they're all in my office. And so I was able to build out each of these rooms. I'm talking paint, wall coverings, curtains, everything, even plants. I was able to build out all of these different sets, leveraging that Lowe's commercial account. Another business credit card that you can leverage to create content is going to be the Best Buy Advantage card. Now, this one is not as easy to get approved for. However, it's not super hard either. So you have to be an established business, meaning you have to be set up the right way, have your LLC, your EIN, all of that stuff. But this is a great account for equipment. And I'm talking a lot of your camera equipment, laptops, lighting, ring lights, for instance. I got my ring lights from Best Buy, you name it, sound bars, speakers. Best Buy is great for all of that stuff. In this account, you can leverage it like a credit card, so you don't necessarily have to pay it all off. Depending on what type of account you get, this could be a game changer, because a lot of you, all you really need is a good camera or a good microphone, and you can definitely get that at Best Buy. Now, these next two credit cards, I'm putting them in the same group, but they are different cards. Both of them are by American Express, and these are two great cards that you can use in creating content and your content creation side of the business. One is going to be the AmEx Blue Cash Everyday card. Now, I'm talking about this one for business, so it is a business credit card. It does not report to your personal credit. None of the AmEx business cards will report to your personal credit, which is awesome, but you can use it like a normal revolving credit card. A lot of people think all American Express cards, you have to pay them off at the end of the month, and that's not necessarily the case for the AmEx Blue Cash Everyday card. So this one is going to be really good for just those miscellaneous expenses, your gas, your everyday stuff, you know, just stuff that you would normally pay for every day, and you get cash back on it. That's really good. Now, on the flip side of that, there is the AmEx Platinum card. I love the Platinum card, especially for me being a content creator. I have to do a lot of traveling. I travel around the country, speaking at events, getting hotel rooms, renting cars sometimes, or getting driven somewhere. And that Platinum card is great for all things travel. It has so many perks, and I could do a whole video about that Platinum card alone. But if you do any type of traveling, like you have to be on set somewhere in another city, another state, you need to rent hotel rooms. Rent hotel rooms? Is that a thing? I don't know. I don't know if rent hotel rooms, or you have to book a hotel room. That's it. If you have to book a hotel room for something, maybe you want to film in a nice penthouse or something, this card earns points and you get discounts on all this stuff. Not only do you get discounts, you get top priority service. I mean, when I say top priority, let's just think like skip the line times 2. Most of the times I am getting upgraded in my hotel room. I'm getting upgraded on flights. I'm getting different perks at hotels, credits, all kinds of stuff. It is an absolute great card to have for any business owner, anyone who travels, and you can for sure leverage it for your content. This is one that does have to be paid off every month because it is a charge card. However, you get a lot of good perks with it. And so those are just a few cards that I have used in order to create better content, in order to build my business. So I would definitely recommend that you check them out. I will drop links down below to the cards so you can easily get to the pages. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. I'd love to have you a part of my community. Until next time, I'm Chasing J Miles, and I will talk to you soon.